Okay, you guys, it has been a long time coming, but I'm happy to be coming back to you because it is the holiday special. Woo, woo, woo. Merry Christmas to you and me. All right, you guys, it took me a while to do this setup, and I hope you like everything. I gave you guys a cute little Christmas setup here. Maybe I'll do a little bit of zoom in, but you know, I got my essential candles. I got the Christmas Day countdown for you guys. I pretty much, you know what, even first of all, this is so cute. So I recently took a trip to California in Palm Springs, and you think this is a Christmas tree, right? It's not. It is a candle. Isn't this so adorable? Like, I'm in love. And like, so is the bottom level, and you can just refill it. So this is so adorable, but let's go ahead and talk about why we're really here. And that is for the pillow Tabby. So I am here, I am excited. Like I said, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom and give me a like and give me a comment. I love seeing all of your messages. I love when you follow me, and I just have so much more in store for you, especially in the new year. So I want you guys to hear all about it. But before we go ahead and get started, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great, and I hope you're doing good too. So let's go ahead and do this. I first want to let you know that I am here and I am in one of my favorite outfits that I get the most compliments on, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell it to you before we get into this pillow Tabby, because you know that's why we're here, and it's an early Christmas present, and I was like, let's just go ahead and open it, right? Like, let's just, why even wait? Go ahead and first get into this jumpsuit. So I have my notes for you guys. I'm taking notes for you. Look at me, we're in school. Okay, so first of all, I do not want to be in school right now because it is very tough going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull up just some quick info on this Good American jumpsuit because I'm obsessed with it. When I first saw it, I immediately loved it. It is on a little bit of the pricier side, but when I tell you I get so many compliments on it, it is so comfy. This is like the perfect thing to wear anywhere. If you're going on a date, if you're just traveling in an airport, if you need to run errands, like, you can wear this almost anywhere. I love it. It's called the Fit for Success jumpsuit. It retails for about $155, and I got the blue 274 is the color that I received. So when it comes to sizing, it's a little bit different than what you would normally think. So I got a size 2, right? But when you look at the actual size guide, if it wants to load for me, when you look at the actual size guide, it lets you know that that's more so in the medium category. So the way their sizing goes is like a size extra small is a 0, a size small is a 1, and then a medium is a 2, and a large is a 3. Then it goes extra large and 2X all the way up to size 5. So that's how the jumpsuit works. And at first I was apprehensive about it, but I'm normally like pretty much a true medium. Like every now and then I can get into a small or something like that. So I would say that I'm more so like a 4-6. Is normally what my range is, and so a medium always works fine for me, so that's why I got the size 2 in here. But like I said, this is one of like their best-selling items. Also, I got it on Black Friday, and I know that they normally have a lot of sales, so when I ended up getting it on Black Friday, I was able to get it for around $115. So instead of $155, I got it for $115. It's worth it. I love it. See if you can catch it, like I said, on sale. It's worth it. So that's what I'm wearing today. But you already know, like I said, why we're here. So now, you guys, we're going to go ahead and talk about the pillow Tabby. So here's the thing. It is a Christmas present, and you guys have me opening it before Christmas, so shame on you. But I mean, I couldn't really resist. So here we go. I'm going to tell you some great facts about it. Let me put this to the side. And we're just gonna do a great unboxing. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So this is the box that it came in, and I'm once again unboxing this with you. So let's lift it up and see, shall we? So it comes like this. I love it already. I love how the box comes like here, stamped with Coach. I love how it has the sticker with the emblem on it. It's really, really exciting me. And thanks to a lot of you who replied back to my other video letting me know that Coach doesn't really do the big boxes like that anymore because of it's trying to conserve things for the environment. And also, if you really do want the big box, then you just have to request it additionally. But we really should be trying to save the environment. I'm okay with not receiving the big Coach box that I'm used to. So these will do just fine. All right, and so I'm gonna go ahead. You already get your thank you for shopping at Coach card. So cute. We hope you enjoyed your purchase. It's made with the quality and detail since 1941, and a number if you need that. And we're gonna go ahead and pull out this beautiful satin bag right here. It's so tiny and cute. Yeah! It's so tiny and cute. Here is the Coach right here. I mean, this right here, it's upside down. It's adorable. How could you not love it? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Let's just put this card right here. We're gonna go ahead and, of course, I'm gonna do some close-ups for you guys. But right now, this is, oh, it's so cute. This is what we are going. I can't. I'm sorry. Here's the pterodactyl noises coming again. It's so adorable. I cannot stop screaming. This is, it's so cute. Do you guys see it? Oh my gosh. It's adorable. I love it. Here's the bag. Of course, I'm going to do some close-ups for you guys and showing you some of them with my outfit because this goes perfectly with my Good American jumpsuit. But let's go ahead and just open her up. So right off the bat, we can tell this is very, very soft texture. We have, oh, it's really stuffed. We go ahead and we have the chain that has the Coach on it. We lift it up. It's just your regular button closure right here. It says Coach on the inside in blue. It is so cute. We're going to stuff it with things, right? We're going to go ahead and stuff it so you can see what it fits. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the paper out right now, and then I'll do a what fits in my Coach pillow tabby will be the next video that I'll do for you guys so you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. Comes with the little papers. Let's go ahead and get into the nitty gritty. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this right here so we can see it. And I, of course, pulled up some notes for all of you to talk about this bag. So with this bag, it's retailing for $395. Let's go ahead and just push that up to $400. You already know that this is a bestseller, influencer pick, and things like that. And this is the Pillow Tabby shoulder bag in a size 18. With that being said, it comes in a couple colors, but this is the brass ivory color. It also comes in a beautiful lime green color, which is called a pale lime or a lime nickel. It also comes in now this beautiful color of a pewter, which is a buttercup kind of color. Love that color, but don't think buttercup is in like super brown. I'm thinking like a mustard yellow kind of color is what I get from that vibe. And then of course it comes in your standard brass or black and some other colors, but these are the current ones that are coming out. I'd also like to say, if you're into Afterpay or Klarna and things like that, you can definitely do a payment with Klarna. They have it like as low as $100 per payment, so meaning you'll probably do 4 payments of like $100 or something like that. So there's always ways to financing it if it's something that's like your dire thing and you want to have. It's made out of the Napa leather. It also has a snap closure, like I said, the fabric lining, the detachable. This strap right here is 4 inches. If you wanted to know, that's what it is. And the longer strap is going to be 21 inches, 21 and a half inches, right? And like I said, this is style number C880. I completely love this bag already. I can tell you I will be wearing it with all of my outfits. I think it's a perfect complement. I think it's perfect for date night. And if you just need to like just go grab drinks or something cute with the girls, if you have a long, beautiful flowing dress, this is definitely the dress for you. Do I think it's worth it? Yes. I 100% think that this purse is worth it. I also love ivory colors. I love the gold accents on this. I think this is 100% worth it, and it is the perfect, like, you know, I'm just going out and I just need a few essentials, right? I'm not really too much when it comes to smaller bags of the crossbody kind of person with this. So I would probably just really wear it with this strap and not wear the crossbody with it. Nothing wrong with if you decide to wear the crossbody with it. I know that these had originally sold out earlier this year, and now they're coming back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So I removed that strap, and I know that earlier this year these originally sold out, and so here's how we're rocking it. I know I'll go ahead and show you some clips of it. Said, this was a quick little video for you guys just to hold you over. I'm going to insert some more clips showing me actually styling it. All right, so here I am styling this beautiful Coach Tabby. As you can see, I have on the Good American jumpsuit, and I also have on my Chloe Betty boots that I mentioned in my last video. So I put them both together.
This purse drops perfectly exactly where I need it to drop. It drops right there on the hip. I can still wear it with the original hand strap, even though I have the crossbody strap. Here's a zoom in on those Chloe boots that I mentioned before. They go so great here. I didn't even tuck them into the boot. And once again, this is how I would wear the bag if I just want to wear this single hand strap. This purse can be worn so many ways. It's perfect.
So with that being said, this was just a quick little holiday video for you guys, letting you know about something that Santa brought me. Santa, you know me so well. But with that being said, do I think it's worth the purchase? Yes, I completely think it's worth the purchase. I think this is just chef's kiss. I really can't say anything else but lovely things about this purse. I think that it's worth it. I no doubt in my mind I will buy this 10 times over. I would even buy this in a different color. The pewter buttercup color is something that's really calling to me right now. But like I said, I'm an ivory fan, die hard. So with that being said, I think you should splurge. I would splurge and get this for myself. And I'll go ahead and shoot some videos of what's inside of it. So I want you guys to, of course, have happy holidays. I want you to stay safe. I know that this is a very trying time for us here in society right now. So I want to make sure that everybody's staying as safe as they possibly can. Stay prayed up. I also want to make sure that you guys subscribe down below. I will be uploading more videos. I promise as the new year comes, I'm going to continue to upload as much as I can. The next video, of course, will be me styling one of my favorite Coach purses. I don't know if I should give you guys a snippet. Should I? I might give you guys a snippet on the purse. Give you guys a sneak peek. The next purse that I will be talking about is the Coach Rogue in the taupe. Like I said, I love your neutrals. I love the tans, the taupes, the creams. And so let's just do a side by side of these, right? Beautiful, beautiful. So this is, of course, this color sold out immediately. And luckily I got this secondhand. So with that being said, it was brand new, but I got it secondhand. But I have so much to talk to you about this purse. And I will on the next video. So you will have to stay tuned. And I hope you guys, like I said, have a great time and check out some more videos.